All right, so we're up to the last of these videos, which is going to be image filters. So for image filters, I'm going to apply a filter to my images, but I'm going to apply this image filter only when I hover over them. So to make that work, I'm going to create, oh, I already have it, the image hover selector here. But instead of just changing the border now to green, I want to apply a filter to that image. So, I was in the advanced section. I'm going to go back to the basic reference. I don't remember how to get there, so I'm just going to search W3 CSS ref. That brings me to this page here. And I want to apply a filter, so I'm looking for a filter property. Cool, I found one. All right, there are a bunch of different filters that I can apply, or that you can apply. Here they are. Wow. So I don't know which one to even choose. I don't know what these do, but that's totally cool because you can experiment. So the first one is blur, so let's start with that one. That one seems pretty self-descriptive also. So image hover, and when I hover over it, I want to apply a filter. And here it pops up all the options. That's so cool. What if I press info here? I wonder what will happen. Applies a Gaussian blur to the input image. Awesome. All right, I want to do that. Now, how does blur work? Okay, blur takes in a pixel amount. So let me apply a 2-pixel blur to this. So we'll run it. And then let's see what happens. I'm going to scroll down to this image. And when I hover over it, nice, it is blurred. That's so cool. All right, but blur you might not like. Maybe blur works better for an image that you're not hovering over, for an image that you're not focused on. Maybe instead, what other one of these could we have some fun with? You can try all of these out, but the way you're going to do it is, let's say we want to do Hue Rotate seems really cool. I'll copy that. I'm going to get rid of the blur thing here. And I'm going to scroll down here because there's some parentheses, so I'm thinking that something needs to go in those parentheses. So I'm going to scroll down here, and it says for Hue Rotate, I need to give it a degree value. All right. Well, I don't know what degree to put here, so I'm going to pick something between 0 and 360. So let's try 75 degrees. Let's run it. All right, so when we hover over our image, whoa, cool, the colors get all funky, like almost like a camera negative or like a Photoshop style effect. That's kind of neat. I kind of like those. It looks, I don't know, definitely pretty alien and strange. Let's try a different number. Let's try something crazy like, I don't know, 175 degrees. This should be maybe even weirder. Neat. Okay, cool. So kind of by guessing and checking, we can apply a neat little filter to that. Let's see if there's anything else that we might want to apply. You can try out each of these. But I won't ruin the surprise of all of them. Basically, you just copy and paste it. And then down here, it should tell you kind of what units you have. So percent, you'd want to end with like, 50%. You'd want to make a percent sign there. Degrees is just degrees. And then, I don't know, some of them are weird, like URL and drop shadow, it looks like. So maybe those are fun ones for you to figure out. I don't know. All right, well, this is the conclusion of our of our tons of CSS properties that we might want to use to make our first website really different from everybody else's. And here's how my website ended in the end. I think your websites are going to be a lot better. All right, I hope this was helpful. See you in class.